Okay, this is my review of getting all my pieces together for my heater install, heater core, heater, it's everything involved. Anyways, so I printed out this sheet from the parts list. I'm going through, looks like I got pretty much everything, missing a few questionable things. Gonna have to make that seal. I found that one, I didn't find that one. The lever is not really a lever, but anyways, I'll go through some of this stuff. Anyways, those intakes and these things, guys, they're right there. That one's cracked. I gotta finish it. It's got this piece of, they got these metal piece of bars there. That one goes across the top. This one, this is actually a 58, but same size. Got a couple of these guys. One seems cracked, or maybe it's just the paint, but I have to clean those guys up. So got this guy right there. That's all nice and cleaned up and restored. All the paint's gone. All the rust is gone. There's the heater core there. Heater box. Here's the heater core. Now you'll notice there's this seal on the bottom here, which is a foam one, and then this is a plastic one. Maybe it came on the 58 or something. I don't understand how that goes. I'm going to use something like that. There is also a gasket that goes here. You see it right here. And so this is a model 705, by the way. I think these are on Plymouths and Dodges. You'll see the thing comes through here, this guy, and then you also need this rubber gasket here. That piece comes out the bottom here. Now this is the heater, I guess, diverter box. There's a clamp here. There's a cover there. This is all restored inside. This guy, I'm missing the one for here. It's going to look just like this, but it's going to be around it. You can use something, I don't know, a seal or duct tape. Connects to the vent knob, and you'll see inside there. I restored all this. These guys, there's this guy, it's got these standoffs here, right? Those screws, you'll need 3 of those. This is they call this a lever. I don't know why this calls it a lever, but this is a bracket. Obviously the other cord here, and this guy goes to the actual heater control for the temperature. You see it, got a lever there. So that's that guy, got that, got a little vent off the side. I got like 4 of those, they all work. It's got the wiring connected to it. It's just real simple. The wiring, come down here. I got that seal. These are just bolts that go through here. That seal, where is that seal at? No, it's right there. That seal, little hook, there's a little hook here that connects to here to hold the hose on. I don't think it connects the hose, but anyways, this seal I'm going to have to make. Now, coming into here, you got 2 hose clamps, a little piece of aluminum sheet, then there's a seal, and then there's the water diverter, and then that connects over to here, and then that's the cap that goes in the hole. So I got 2 of those guys right here, and I have to figure out where this guy goes. This is like the temperature sensor you put inside of the air vent. But anyways, I have 2 of these. These kind of like around $100 or something on eBay, $200. Some of these guys, there's like some kind of Volvo one that sells for like 85 or something. So then I got this bracket. Got to clean that up, and this is one of the older seals. This I think is a light block off plate under the dash. That's a knob. That's an old knob. It's got rust. I got a good one. Anyways, these are the vents, by the way. They come with these brackets here. This is a better one here. They come with these brackets, and then you need, if you might be missing, you need these guys. You need this metal wire that holds them in tight. These will have to be cleaned up, figure out which one's the best one, and they will spin inside of here. I do believe you can move them potentially. Those aren't moving. Now this, I believe, goes to the dash, or the glove box, but let me show you. So I can't find that piece. Now I have this thing with the slider and the thing. There's the switch, which is on the box. Controls. There's the knob, etc., etc. So looks like I'm pretty good. I'll be rerouting the hoses a little different, and there's also a list of all the part numbers, part and the names. There's a gasket. I'm missing a gasket. Maybe that seal gasket. Maybe that, like I said, I have to find that guy. It's like a straight version of the one I have, but I'll check some of the other cars I have. There's a hose. All in all, everything looks pretty good. I don't know about that bracket. I saw that somewhere. I have all this stuff. Like I said, that is the switches over there with the knobs. And there's that switch again, the one I got to replace, but I've already got a good one. So that's the heater parts and heater core. All the parts that you'll need to put it in here. I've got some spare motors and boxes. Working on the windshield wipers. You got to put the heater box in before you put the windshield wiper. The windshield wiper bracket goes behind that, or the windshield wiper bracket goes over that heater box. So I was going through inventory and parts. I've got a mess. This is some of the parts box I had. There's the anti-rattle springs for the doors, 58 Dodge trim. These are overhead lights and supports for the roof. What else I got? There's actually not a bad dome light cover, but I cut off my transmission bracket to get my Hemi in there. 57 end piece. Gas filler. I can't remember what these are. If anybody knows what those are, tell me, because I saved them. I know I know they need them for something. These guys are always bad. I think you get those at Gary Gore's. Power steering bracket for the brake pedal. I got all this stuff on it. So, pile of parts. Seatbelt brackets. Bump stop for a window. This is interior upper trim. View mirror, that's probably, I don't know, it's not too bad. He's obviously painted. Exhaust bracket, fender bracket, gas pedal, not bad. So I've got parts everywhere. Regal Lancer inner structure for the rear piece. Got a gas cap. Anyways, there's a Hemi transmission cover. Castle nut for a ball joint, yeah. Clip for a door panel. Anyways, just let me go through my mess. That's it. Let's give you an idea of what you need to get your heater core and everything installed. Mine doesn't have the cheaper cars have just the bracket and the two holes in the dash, not as opposed to that integrated box one. So